All right, mate. You bought BAL at $33. Yeah, it's it's a bad rejection. It rejected at the moving averages, and we pulled back over. What could happen here, and then we need to be open to it, is something like this. You put in a bottom and you get that big bounce off it. You get the bad rejection, and then you form a base. Um, this, like, you see the way this is trying to trend down, kind of. It's trending down in a way, but it's also not. It's putting in a flat top base and maybe a rounding bottom, so to speak. Um, so are we going to do something kind of similar? Put in this sort of base before moving back up. That's a real possibility. So what I'm saying now, you bought at $33. It's going to be tough to get up there again. Um, you're going to need to make a decision now. Do you want to hold? Do you want to average down on a dip? Um, I like here, you can see it took quite a long time before it came back up to these highs. These people were trapped, and I would suggest that you're also trapped for the near term at least. There's just another $1 million. Sorry, I just got an alert there. There was $1 billion was printed. Another billion. I think it's the second one. Yeah. So there's two of them printed here. Beautiful. Okay. Well, this is exactly what we want to see. Sorry, I got completely distracted on that. Um, yeah, it's going to be difficult to pop straight back up. Can we pop straight back up? We can. Okay. I'm not. I'm just putting this out there as a possibility. The fact that we have $2 billion printed, right? Maybe, just maybe, they want to rebuy this on a new 3-day candle, right, and pump it back up. Is can they do this? Like, they done it here. This is a bad rejection. They pumped it right back up, or at least even you get a big dump here like this, and you can see that the next 3-day candles were pumped back up into the 50% retrace of the candle. Right, that's another option. But you can see here this dump right here. See this dump, and then look at the next. Look at the way it recovered. Right, we dumped, and everybody was panicking, thinking that the market is going to die and drop away. The only concern here is that we are dropping below moving averages. I don't like that. That's not ideal. But the fact there's $2 billion printed, you can see that the next 3-day candle we recovered. Now I don't expect any recovery on this 3-day candle, not much of it anyway. Um, when this happens, usually I like to see a new 3-day candle, and then if it's going to recover, that's when it's going to be. Overall, I think it is promising that they are printing more USD Tether, at least hopefully anyway.